Upgrading your home with new windows and doors is one of the most impactful investments you can make. Beyond enhancing curb appeal, the right replacements improve comfort, energy efficiency, and even property value. If you're a homeowner in the villages or surrounding areas, working with the village's window replacement and doors ensures you get the perfect balance of quality, style, and professional service. Here's why choosing this trusted local company can make all the difference for your home. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the biggest benefits of replacing outdated windows and doors is the boost in energy savings. Modern windows are engineered with insulated glass, low-E coatings, and advanced sealing technology that help maintain indoor temperatures. Similarly, updated entry and patio doors are designed with superior materials that minimize drafts. By choosing the village's window replacement and doors, homeowners enjoy products specifically designed for Florida's climate. That means less strain on your air conditioning system during hot summers and lower utility bills throughout the year. Professional expertise and local knowledge. When it comes to installation, experience matters. The village's window replacement and doors team brings years of expertise to every project. They understand the unique challenges Florida homes face, like high humidity, strong storms, and intense sunlight, and recommend solutions tailored to local needs. Their installers are trained to ensure a precise fit, which is critical for performance and longevity. Unlike general contractors who may lack specialized knowledge, this company focuses solely on windows and doors, giving you confidence that your project is in expert hands. Wide selection of styles and materials. Every home is unique, and your windows and doors should reflect your style while complementing your property's architecture. The village's window replacement and doors offers a wide variety of options, including double-hung, casement, and sliding windows for easy operation and ventilation. Energy-efficient vinyl and fiberglass windows for durability and performance. Elegant front doors in wood, steel, or fiberglass to match your taste. Sliding and French patio doors that create seamless indoor-outdoor living. With so many choices, homeowners can find the perfect match for both functionality and design. Improved home security windows and doors play a crucial role in protecting your home. Outdated units with weak locks or fragile glass can be easy targets for intruders. By upgrading with the village's window replacement and doors, you gain peace of mind knowing your home is secure. Their products feature reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and advanced locking mechanisms. Not only does this enhance safety, but it also adds an extra layer of protection during severe weather events, which are common in Florida. Increased property value and curb appeal. New windows and doors instantly refresh your home's appearance, making it more attractive to visitors and potential buyers. Stylish upgrades create a polished look while signaling that the property has been well maintained. In fact, real estate experts consistently rank window and door replacement as one of the top home improvements for ROI. Whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to enjoy a modernized look, this investment adds long-term value. Stress-free, customer-focused service. Choosing the right contractor can feel overwhelming, but the village's window replacement and doors makes the process simple. From the initial consultation to the final installation, they prioritize customer satisfaction. Their team provides clear communication, upfront pricing, and flexible scheduling to fit your lifestyle. Homeowners appreciate their dedication to professionalism, punctuality, and respect for their property. The result is a smooth, stress-free experience that leaves you with lasting results you can enjoy for years. Final thoughts. Windows and doors are more than just functional features. They define the comfort, efficiency, and beauty of your home. By partnering with the Village's window replacement and doors, you get the expertise, product quality, and personalized service needed to transform your house into the home of your dreams. If you're ready to improve energy efficiency, boost security, and upgrade your home's style, now is the perfect time to explore the benefits of choosing this trusted local company.